All right, so here, you ready?
Yes, sir.
All right.
So 3, 2, 1.
My name is Jose Reese. I'm the owner of Armor Shine Paint Correction and Auto Detailing. Where this originally came about was I started doing vehicles, doing paint correction, resurfacing paint on the vehicles. I had a customer that enjoyed what I had done on his vehicle so much that he wanted me to try it on his aircraft. From there, I decided to go to aircraft detailing school. And so some of the things that you'll see that we do is the de-ice boots, resealing and sealing the de-ice boots, landing gear cleaning, resurfacing the paint the same way that we would do on automobiles. It's the same process. What we're trying to get individuals to understand is that it's easier to preserve your paint and your investment than it is to wait for it to get bad and then have me correct the paint. So if you have an aircraft and you're looking to get the aircraft brought back to life, feel free to give us a call, 928-920-8140. And when you're trying to take flight, Armor Shine brings it back to life.